Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Breakout, and this is in crushed ice pearl. So it has this white paint with a really pretty like greeny blue fleck in it. It's got the 103 cubic inch engine, the chrome to black dual exhaust. We have a 2-up seat with a passenger backrest, luggage rack, and all of that is on the quick release, which is really nice. Really clean bike. Ignition is on the side over here. And this bike also does have ABS front and rear. Awesome handlebars, beach cruiser style, really interesting looking. And miles are only 2,015. So come check this one out. It's basically new. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.